All right. Again, special thanks to the company for sending this to me. They have sent me this shower head. It has 7 spray patterns, including water saving, which everybody loves that. Nothing really around the box. So handheld shower head, 7 refreshing spray patterns, includes water saving function, hassle-free installation, rub clean nozzles, ultra flexible shower hose, and it even shows you rain massage, rain and massage, mist, rain and mist, bubble, rain and bubble. All right, so this is exactly how it came from Amazon. Oh, this must be, this is for your drain, I think. Very cool. May not put that in hers. So we've got the main part. This, of course, goes on to your actual faucet. And there is the handle. Oh, a nice click. Very nice. And it feels like really nice quality. Then here is the hose. Never seen something like this on the end of them, but that's cool. And these are supposed to come off. So there we go. The hose is probably 3 to 4 feet here. And then the only other thing really down in here, a little instruction manual. All right, so now let's go take off the other shower head, put this one on, and try it out. So this is what her shower originally came with, just the standard, crappy shower head. So we're gonna get this one off. Somehow I missed this. They even included some of the tape put around to help seal it. Very nice. And unscrew your old shower head. Now I'll tell you, the instructions mention to put the washers down in there, but the washer is already there on this side and on this side. They just give you an extra one. So then we just take this and screw right onto here. There we go. Just like so. And there we go. Now our shower head is officially installed. So if I cut on some water, there we go. Our shower head is working.